Welcome back to The Race. I'm Chris Stewart. About 8 million senior Americans face issues of food insecurity. But the problem goes beyond just getting food to those in need. Alexa Liacco taking a look at the growing concerns about malnutrition.
Hi, Marie, your drop-off will be ready in 15 minutes.
Don't let their age fool you.
If you have any feedback, feel free to call us back at this number.
These two high schoolers are running a nationwide organization with the intensity of seasoned businessmen.
We have some notebooks as well so we can keep track of our accounting.
And there's a lot to keep track of. The students are coordinating hundreds of free grocery deliveries for seniors in need.
We've learned that there is definitely a serious problem in terms of senior hunger.
16-year-old Drew Pye and his friend 15-year-old Matthew Casertano started by making grocery deliveries to their own grandparents.
I saw the fear in their eyes every time they went into the grocery store. There was kind of that trade-off they had to make between their necessities and their personal safety that I really wanted to avoid at all costs.
We knew that we couldn't rely on the goodwill of people wearing masks, keeping social distancing, etc. And we had to do with shopping.
But then one afternoon on the ride home,
we sort of thought, like, what about people who don't have grandchildren who can do the shopping for them?
That's when they started Teens Helping Seniors. Any senior can now email in a grocery list and then
we will coordinate a volunteer within that area.
The teens do all the shopping.
I'm gonna get some grapes and some raspberries.
And with a little help from Mom in the driving department,
I just got my permit.
They individually drop off and sanitize each order.
I had a short list this time, and the last time that they brought something, they added stuff because they're so sweet and nice.
A simple favor that means so much.
Thank you, and I thank God for you and for making such a unique individual as every human being is, but you're showing it. You're showing your heart.
And it's more than just groceries these two forward-thinking teens are delivering.
Now we cover things like, mental health support for seniors suffering from the after effects of isolation.
It's a quick call to say hello or leaving an unexpected box of cookies with an order that's bringing generations together.
Despite this huge gap between who we are and what we have in common, we're still able to help each other during this pandemic. And that's something that my own grandmother taught me at a very young age, that we should always help strangers.
They are showing what our young adults and teenagers have the capacity for.
The capacity for good and for kindness, keeping the most vulnerable healthy, one delivery at a time. For The Race.
Bye, guys. Bye. Thanks so much.
I'm Alexa Liacco.
Preserving time with grandparents while staying safe. Next.